Check this out. Got another plane to show you in our beginner series. Comes ready to fly. There's the box it comes with. Sort of no name on this one. The Boeing 787, 550 wingspan. If you do a quick search, I'm sure you can find it. Does need a little bit of assembly on this one. Glue the wings on. Doesn't take too much. Is a little bit cheaper, some of the other ones, and you can get it with 2 batteries. That's why I bought this one. The controller is not the best though, as you can see. Someone's dropped it and one of the knobs has come off, but that's nothing. Comes with a USB charger. Looks quite nice. It does look very similar to the XK-A150, which is a little bit dearer, but it's good enough. Got the 2 motors there, twin props. Definitely not going to cut your finger off, and it's got the rear elevator to help you go up and down, which is really helpful. Got some sort of gyro stabilizer on board, so it should fly pretty good. Remember to look out for our other beginner series videos. So let's head to the field now, see how she flies. Check this out. This is the maiden of the Boeing 787. Never flown it before. The controller is broken, so I'm using the radio master. Flying still beautiful. Let's get in the air. Oh, we're up. Oh, look. Not flying too badly. Turn it. Oh, it flies. That turns nice. Just relies on differential thrust. Oh, look at that. It's only about quarter throttle. Fly around beautiful. Not a cloud in the sky. Light breeze. That's not much power.
5 minutes.
Not too sure how long it will fly for. Fly around good. These are little engines. Looks good in the sky. Been a nice jumbo jet, passenger jet. This looks very similar to the XK Boeing jet, but you can pick this up with extra batteries, which is real handy, and it's a little bit cheaper than the XKs. Has been flown before by the kids. That's why the knob's broken off, I think, on the controller. They must have been a bit rough. Fly around nice. Bit less than half throttle.
3
I'll go back and go full power. Full power. Oh, that's quick enough, isn't it?
Pretty quick.
That's not bad. Sometimes it does its own thing, but generally it flies pretty nice. Look at that, there's no hands. No hands at all. Turn it. This is a nice beginner plane. Does fly good, doesn't it? Hope you can see it in this nice clear sky. Is that nice and close? You can fly this nice and close to you. We were flying sideways in the wind. Geez, they've got good gyros in these. We were just hovering there in the wind. Wind's come up a little bit more. Really helps these little planes out of these gyros.
30 seconds.
Amazing how good they fly.
20 seconds.
Because in the turns you've got to hold the stick, like to the left. And they're just flying around beautiful in the wind. I don't think these have a stunt button. Not sure how long the battery lasts for. You just fly them until they drop out of the sky. And then that light, they're not going to damage nothing. This will fly beautiful in a nice backyard. That's full stick, round and round. Full stick, round and round. Full power, and we're off. Amazing how good it flies. I'm impressed. Not bad. That's good enough. We'll come in for a landing. Land it into the wind. Just back the throttle off. Oh, good enough. Thanks for watching.